Good evening, YouTube friends and fans. Tonight I've got the bar for the grill crossover on the burners and striker to install. Stay tuned. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So we'll bring this a little closer here in a second. So this is the tube that does all the burner work. Set this guy up here for a moment. And a new igniter. So what we got to do first, we got to get down in here and clean out some of the crap in the bottom. Do the old vacuum, so it's going to get noisy. Boy, the old grill weighs a lot less and the vacuum weighs a lot more. So, to replace this tube, not sure. Looks like it might be slotted. So let's see. Don't think a screwdriver is going to work. Alright, so let's see if we can get this down in here. Try to clean this up with a wire brush. Maybe it'll allow this socket to go on a little better. Well, that one was not very successful. It felt like it went on by hand. That just spins. That's not good. Got a feeling we might have to try the vice grips. This feels like it's turning, stripping out. Now I might know why this guy gave it away for free. Well, I changed angles on you. I'm going to try welding a nut on it. It does not want to move, so there goes a lot of nothing. Gonna have to let it cool just a moment, because it is hot. Yeah, we got another nut. Let's try it again. I'm afraid it's a little warm. I don't want to really touch it. Round two. Well, I'm not getting anywhere there either. Well, let me think about it again. I'm going to try a bigger nut. That last one was a quarter. This one is 5/16. See if I can get down in there more. Well, it definitely felt like it got down in there better. But I don't know if I'll be able to get to it or not. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do here. It's not going to work. I'm not a good enough welder. Let's see what the bars would look like. Got the old new flavor bars. The guy sold me for $10. See how they sit. Son of a bitch. They don't fit in the end. They're too short. Well, not having a good night. I think we're gonna call it quits. Frustration's a little high. Well, on further note, I took this grinder and I started doing some cutting. So I cut through the tube there and got the center tube out, and I'm gonna work on grinding off that. I'll probably have to drill and tap that. Don't know how well you can see it, but the little darker colored metal is the steel, and the rest is the aluminum housing. So we'll work at this and we'll get back to you. Well, that didn't go like I wanted it to. Looks like I walled out the back of the hole. Alright, so here's what we accomplished. Started drilling out that bolt that was stripped off the head and rusted. And what it ended up doing was wobbling to the side. And since that's a stainless steel, it was a little bit stronger. And I ended up getting into the aluminum. So I'm going to have a different setup on that hole than what was original. Probably be an oversized bolt or something to that effect. And this one, when I welded it down, still couldn't get anything. So I ended up drilling out so there's that. Now the bar is loose. So we'll see how I'm going to put this all together. We'll go from there. Alright, so I think we're kind of ready to put this together, at least temporary, figure out how the alignment works. So, here goes a whole lot of knobs. Ooh. Bunch of dirt down in that. So we're together, but I gotta add a bolt, gotta figure out that, and I gotta figure out a way to hold this down. But this really doesn't really go anywhere, so that one's got a little bit of play. Let's see what happens when we light it. Do something with this starter. I'm gonna see if the cap, just putting the cap on will make a difference. Yeah, it's a little different. Guess that's not gonna work that way. undo the wires on this guy. Igniter there on the other end. Let's see what we got here yet. I'd say the battery's bad. Let's take her in the house and get a new battery. Yeah, maybe the old striker was good. Well, we got a new battery. I'm gonna try it in the old one just to see what's up. Oh, you got to be kidding me. So first 3 batteries I tried were junk. Let's see if this lights. Well, it's struggling to light. There we go. So, just a bad battery, nothing wrong with any of it. Guess I got a igniter to send back. Well, that's going to wrap up today's events. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you on the next video. See you, friends.